Welcome everyone. Adam here, Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This morning we are going to show you a 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle. This beautiful forest green car has a built 454 in it. I drove this car. I'm going to say this probably has 500 horsepower. Runs great. Tremec 5-speed manual transmission. Has anybody seen John Wick? I think I found his car. Beautiful car, 12-bolt positive traction rear end, 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering, power brakes, vintage heat and air conditioning, highly detailed engine compartment. This car has been a frame off, body off restoration, functional cowl induction hood, very, very highly detailed engine compartment, smooth firewall, all painted awesome underneath the hood, aluminum radiator, dual electric fans. This is one awesome Chevelle. Car is super solid, sitting on a set of 17-inch SS aluminum wheels. I'm telling you what, car is absolutely gorgeous. The black vinyl top's in perfect shape. The body, paint, interior in this car are just absolutely beautiful. Just love, love, love this car. Inside the trunk, very, very nice. I just looked inside here just a minute ago when I was doing my pictures, and appears to have the original quarter panels. Just a spectacular car. Spare tire and jack. Well, spare tire anyway. I don't know if the jack's under there, but spare tire's under there. I've went all around this car trying to find stuff I can point out, but I just can't. It's just absolutely stunning. Glass is all in great shape. Interior super nice. The carpet, the seats, the dash pad, headliner, sail panels, package tray. All the seat belts are in it. Retro stereo. Jam paint is very, very nice. Doors open and shut great. The gaps are very nice as well. Just hard to find a 70 Chevelle that looks like this, man. I tell you what. And the underneath this car is just rock solid too. I'll take some pictures of that. I don't have the build sheet or paperwork on it, so I can't tell you if it's a real Super Sport or not. It's got everything the Super Sport should have. But unlike other people, I'm not going to tell you that, oh yeah, it's a real Super Sport, because we don't know. I mean, but it doesn't really matter. Dash lights work. Radio works. Air conditioning works. What about the horn? I ain't got the horn. Ain't got the horn to blow yet. Left turn, right turn. The air's ice cold. You get behind the wheel of this car, just instantly puts a smile on your face. I drove this car yesterday. Yeah, it was yesterday. And I'll tell you what, that Tremec 5-speed is just a real game changer on these cars. You know, I mean, it makes a real muscle car something you can actually drive and enjoy. You know, I mean, you go down the road, you can go down the highway,
70, 75 mile an hour and not be turning 3,500, 4,000 RPM. So absolutely a game changer. People ask me if I recommend putting 5-speed, 6-speeds in these cars. I say absolutely. Here she is. Maybe it is John Wick. Shut that air off. Don't need that on this morning. Dome lights work as well. Shut them off. Hood flapper works. Chevelle. This car's $99,900. I see a bunch of cars out there for, you know, 80, 90,000 bucks, and I know what they are. I know what this car is. Just really nothing comparable out there right now. Get out and do a little walk around with you quick. Black vinyl top. White stripes. What a fabulous looking car. The black vinyl top's in excellent shape too. Sounds good. Great running car, super fun to drive. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. You can just see how much difference that 5-speed makes. Just awesome. Give us a call again, 563-452-2450, 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle, 454 Tremec 5-speed, steering, brakes, vintage air. Just one badass car, everybody. Give us a call. Thanks for watching our videos. Have a great day, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel.